Oh! Goodness me! We're off to the next location, and it's raining again. Waiting for the bus so we can catch another bus.
After a few wet days in Stavanger, it was time to head for our next location, Bergen, the second largest city in Norway. To get there, we had to catch a bus, and while on the bus, also catch 2 ferries.
We're in Bergen. We're pack horsing it through town, looking for our accommodation. How you going, Kaitlan?
Oh yeah, it's pretty heavy.
Bit of weight on us right now. Breakfast time in Bergen. This is our room. Not bad. More of a hostel type place now. There's our view of a brick wall. We're about to go for a walk to see what we can find in Bergen. Let's do it. That's a massive building. Crazy, eh? And look at the backdrop. Mountains in the background. And hill. We just walked up a hill. Caitlin's legs still hurt from hiking Pulpit Rock. But very pleasant to be walking around out here in Bergen. How good's this? Famous houses in Bergen. A bit crooked. Just had our most expensive lunch.
Italian pizza.
Had pizza in Norway, but we didn't know how to tip. And we just calculated that we accidentally just tipped to $1.50.
In Australian. So we put like an extra like $15 on the meal in NOK.
Yeah, the Norwegian krone, I just don't understand it. Sorry person we just tipped.
We really enjoyed your service.
It was good. Cost an arm and a leg. That's Norway for you. So we're about to go up a mountain here in Bergen and go for a hike. See what we can't find.
Sun! First blue sky, sunny day we've had since being in Norway.
Streets are empty.
Let's go.
Let's go do this. This is where we get on the train to go up the mountain to the start of the walk. So we're at what we think is called Fløyen, and this is at one of the mountains, and this is where one of our walks is going to begin. And now we're trying to just find the start of the walk, but very beautiful scenery.
That was a hill.
Yeah, a bit of a hill. We haven't even started the walk yet. See if we can find the start.
So our plan is to hike up Mount Blåmanen, one of the 7 mountains that surround Bergen. The track is about 7 kilometres long and starts within the pine forest on top of Floyen. We found the track online and thought we'd give it a crack.
The track is a bit of a combination of grass, rocks, mud, ice. Just sort of step on anything out here. Water time. What do you got there?
Some waterfall.
Just picking it off the trail.
Go on, hoist me up.
We have to hoist Kaitlan up. Up the rock we go. Looks like we've got a few stairs to go up. Noticing a bit of something falling over in the distance. Getting a bit closer. We may see some snowfall while on our hike. We're headed up there. We're nearly halfway and it's starting to snow a little bit.
First time we've actually seen the real name of the walk.
There it is. Blåmanen, or however you say it. That is what we're headed for. The snow is coming. We're almost at the top. How do you know we're at the top, Kaitlan?
Huh?
How do you know we're at the top? There's a giant can over there. Pretty cold.
Snow's coming in.
It's starting to sleet a bit. It's coming over. Pretty cool though. We've done 3.66 kilometres and we're at 552 metres of elevation, so pretty good. We're tracking pretty good. But yeah, getting a bit cold and we have to make our way back down, but this is the top of it. Yeah, good. Bit chilly. Alright, so we are currently here at Blåmanen and we need to head over to these buildings, which should be the buildings in the distance over there. So that's our next target. Kaitlan's already on the move. Let's see if we can get there because it's freezing. We're lost. We're lost, Kaitlan.
Yeah, classic Zach.
We're following one trail, but it's not taking us to where we kind of want to go. But we think the trail down here might be what we're looking for. So let's head down there and see if it takes us where we want to go. getting snowed on while on the side of a hill. We're trying to go down, but currently going up. Don't know why. Alright, got to find the track here. We're a little bit lost. It's really coming in now. Walking along in the snow. It's getting heavier. I think I've actually got a brain freeze just from the cold.
Oh my goodness!
Whoa! Goodness me! Oh. Hands are getting pretty cold. They're red as. Okay. Gone into snow mode. Beanies on, hoods on, gloves on, and see if we can not freeze, and hopefully we're walking the right way. We're back on the main track, the sun's out, you wouldn't even know it was snowing, and we're on our way back down. Now good. Coming from Brisbane, Australia, walking and hiking in the mountains, and it starts snowing is just crazy to us, unheard of. We have done 5.24 kilometres and been going 3 hours, so we've really ramped up the pace, and I think it should be about 2 kilometres back down to the bottom. So we're going pretty good. And we're back at the train station. Another walk successfully completed in Norway. Just absorbing the view up here before we take the train back down and find some dinner. There's random goats everywhere.
No, det var svart.
It's bloody freezing. Walking down a dodgy alleyway. Oh, you're joking. I thought I was recording that.
Oh, you're right.
Whoa. Alrighty. Now where do we go? How do we get down? Nah, just joking. But we're having fun, aren't we, Kaitlan?
Oh, such fun.
Such fun. Oh, no one told us that before. Even though it's cold.
Check out these beds.
Check out the birds. What do we got, Kaitlan?
We got falafel pita, and the guy could not speak English, and we could not speak
Norwegian?
Norwegian. Right, let's eat.
This is not what we thought we ordered, but still looks pretty good. We're packing our bags in preparation for our next location. We're going to Tromsø in hope that we might see the Northern Lights. Should be good.